Next on the list, I've got GVH. This is Globevend Holdings. Looks like this is ramping right now. Stock closed at 92 cents on Friday. So this is a penny stock until this morning. Looks like we're trading higher here on pretty good volume, at least for this stock. All right, we've got a couple of things here. They report strong 2025 financial results with 42% revenue growth. Looks like we had a 13G for L1 Capital. Looks to be taking a stake there. And yeah, they had full year EPS of 1642, sales of 18.58 million. That is driving the stock higher here, higher by about 65%. Take a quick look at the short interest here. This finally, we do have a read here on this, but it's fairly negligible. 1.36% of the float shorted with 1 day to cover. On average, the stock trades 408,000 shares, done 5.4 million here today. Float on this one is 2 million, so right in the wheelhouse. 13, what do you think here on GVH? I know it's spiking right now. What do you think on GVH?
I think you got a little bit of some of this news on Friday because this company had delayed their 20F filing. And then that was back in January on the 28th. And now 2 weeks after that, you have on Friday, they submitted that. Didn't move then, because now it's moving on the fiscal year EPS headlines, which I'm not sure that if it was in the 20F or not. But I think the fact they filed that 20F on Friday after the market, or that news came up after it had already closed, I just don't think it was noticed until today. So maybe just a bit of a delayed reaction here. As far as where this goes, let's see. Oh gosh, what happened to this thing at the end of the year? Last year, this thing took a big old nosedive at the end of the year. I don't know why. I didn't cover this one, as you can tell. We're coming up to actually to where the highs following that drop were, which is about 160. You can see that from the January 7th high. Since then, we haven't been up there, and that's where the price is kind of topping out at. So if we can get up there, there might be a bit of a run we could go on, but I don't know how great this is going to be. I didn't cover this one, unfortunately.
Yeah, no, this looks like pretty decent, pretty gappy in here, right? And that looks like that's all the way up to 260. So pretty good spot there. All right, we'll see on GVH. Seems like kind of a junker here. See if we have any better opportunities here today.